Welcome in, my dolls and figurines. I'm DARKBARBiEDiFFERENT, and today we're going to do something a little different. I wanted to give you guys an aesthetic, nostalgic tour of a couple of PlayStation 2 games in a little mini-series.
So if you think you've got what it takes, let's see what you can do.
Dance Beat is a dance game where you press buttons in succession as they come up, almost in a Guitar Hero style, but the graphics are actually very good. It's a very fun, addicting game, and you can play two-player with your friends. Highly suggested. So this is a booklet. If you would like to see more of this, I would pause and zoom in. If you're missing the booklet, again, here's the game controls. It does tell a little bit about each of her songs, which I do think I am going to go over that page specifically in depth at the end of showing these pages. But yeah, pause if you'd like to see. That last one was the songs, as I said. And then there's credits. Here is the end of the book, and there is a little couple of old tech things coming up here. You could join a cell phone club where you get phone calls from Britney, and then there was actually a USB flash card kit with music, I think, on it, which this is from 2002, so very cool. Britney's Dance Beat. My cat Steven really wants to join the video, but I did want to touch on this page because it talks about each song and what they are about and where they came from. So if you're a big Britney fan, I would pause right here. And then right here, it talks about the songs as well and how you can unlock them. So definitely check this out if you guys are big Britney fans. There is remixes of the songs as well that definitely still hold up. Now we're moving on to Mary-Kate and Ashley's Sweet 16. I think this game is from 2001, 2002 era as well. This is made by Real Games for Real Girls. Terrible spin-off games going on here. This one actually doesn't have as good a graphics as the Britney Spears one. The Britney Spears one was way ahead of its time. But they both have clips from real media, like real movies, real shows and stuff, so that's pretty cool. Again, here's the booklet from this game, and if you need to see that, you can pause. A lot of times I can't find the booklet for old games and stuff online, so I figured I would post these, and also some of the art and stuff is cool. There's her signatures. I honestly miss these old booklets and how they would teach you how to play the game. Now you're kind of lost and you have to use tutorials, which I think is pretty lame. It used to be super fun to read these on the way home and come home and kind of figure it out. And all of the pictures inside is kind of like an extra media and piece of art for us collectors. But again, pause if you need any of these. And at the end, there is a little card where you could mail in to get something or order something, which I think is so of the era and so cool. There's little dolls at the end. because again, people weren't surfing the internet for stuff as much. So these are very cool, and I hope you guys enjoyed taking a look at them with me. So this game is a racing game where they are getting keys to their first cars and ATVs for their Sweet 16. This game came out in 2001 for the PlayStation 2, and Mary-Kate and Ashley actually had plenty of games. I actually have Winner's Circle for the PlayStation 1 and grew up playing a lot of hours riding horseback on that. This one is more of a racing ATV game. The graphics are not very good on these real games for real girls games, but I love this little beginning sequence. Very of the time, still a nostalgic collectible to have, because if you grew up in the 90s and thousands, you grew up with Mary-Kate and Ashley. Feel free to comment your favorite nostalgic character or person or game from this era, and subscribe if you liked the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate you checking into my channel and supporting what I do. Expect a series of each of the games that I own for the PlayStation 2 or the games that I may find, as well as if you're interested in PlayStation 1 games. Have a great morning, day, evening, or night wherever you are in the world, and stay true to you. Dare to be different. Bye.